What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at another product from Aukey. This is the Aukey key series. Alright, first off we got some extra ear cups. We got a USB to USB Type-C cable for charging, and we have an instruction manual and the earbuds. Alright. There we go. Hey, those aren't bad looking. Wow, look at that. That is extremely flexible. Look, it's all the way backwards. I like the design. It's really slick looking, all the way from the buds to the band. It's all very smooth rubber. I like that. That is probably aluminum alloy, but very, very clean looking. Then you got the earbuds. Now these are Bluetooth 4.0 and they're aptX rated, so you won't have to worry about running around with these in the rain. They're definitely made for working out, so you can sweat all in these and it won't cause a problem other than hygiene. But very clean. It's got a nice little ergonomic curve. Very simplistic design. I really like that. I like that etched metal. The band itself, again, is super, super, super soft. Like, that's very soft. On the inside of the right side, you've got your power button, plus and negative, which will probably be volume up and down. And then right here, you have your EQ mode selector. It has 3 built-in EQs. Now you should get about 8 hours of playtime out of this. If you want an additional 2 hours of battery, you just charge it up for about 10 minutes. Oh yeah, they don't look bad either. Oh, immediate comfort. Wow, those are a perfect fit. Hey! Wow. It's got a very nice low rumble. Let me hit that equalizer. Wow, that sounds really good. Highs and mids are super clear. You sound really good. Bass is on point. Highs and mids are nice. Hey. Okay. Very nice thumping bass. Let me try a little low rumble. The bass isn't like super powerful, but it's picking up this low bass boosted really well, actually. It's very nice and smooth sounding bass. I'm liking them so far. Super clear. It looks like there's no latency, but let me do a latency test just to make sure. Oh yeah, that's spot on. No latency at all. Very nice. Okay, cool. Let's try next. Okay, cool. Next and previous check works. All right, I'm gonna do a distance check. I'll be right back. Okay, so I actually got about 45-ish feet and then it started skipping, but it didn't fully lose connection, which was really nice. And again, that's with a couple doors in between me and that distance. So if you were in an open space, you'd probably get a lot better distance out of it. Kind of impressed with these. Aukey, you guys have done a pretty good job so far. All right, let's make this phone call. Call my boy Shannon. Yo. I am testing out some headphones. Well, earbuds. I need to know how. Really? Sounds like I'm on a phone. All right, nice. All right, man. All right. Hello. Hello. I already got my answer from one person, but let's see if it, let's see if it matches up with yours. I am testing some headphones, and yeah. How do I sound? Nice. So, would you say I sound like I'm just talking on the phone? I'm on a headset, yeah. That's what Shannon said. All right, cool. Well, that's all I needed to hear. Okay, well, there we go. That was actually a first. I've never had 2 people give me the exact same answer in the same test. So, yeah, that works really, really well. Man, these are very impressive, actually. I'm actually pretty impressed by these. Oh, I totally forgot. Hold on. Which side's right? There we go. I want to test out the pause and play with the magnet. I totally forgot to test that. Anything else I forgot? Back pocket test. Got to do the back pocket test. Cool. Oh, it's like immediate too. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay. All right, let's check this back pocket test. Sounds fine. No skipping. All right. Well, I think we got a really good winner here. Yeah, I think we got a winner. Aukey. Aukey did a great job. Hey, I said stay. Aukey did a great job. I think these are fantastic. These are exactly what I would be looking for when it comes to like the neckband style. You get about 8 hours of battery life out of it. So if you're using these for work, that's gonna cover the majority of your day. They're super, super comfortable. These are extremely comfortable. Like the second you put them in, it's like a fit made in heaven. Now, of course, that's my ears. You have different ears. We all have different ears. It's all about ear quality here. So they do, you know, you do have a couple extra ear cups. Well, there you go. Very clean. I love the design. I like the simplicity of it. Again, they're extremely comfortable. It sounds really good. Highs and mids are very clear. It's got a nice big sound stage. It doesn't feel like you're encapsulated and closed in. It really is an open sound. The bass sounds really good. It's got a nice low rumble. It keeps up with the nice thud mid-range bass. Overall, really great. Plus the microphone sounds fantastic, and I think that has a lot to do with the microphone being like right there. So it's, you know, pretty much right there facing your mouth. Now, of course, the price range isn't gonna appeal to everybody, but I think for what you're getting, I think they're definitely worth the price range. Right now, they're about 80 bucks on Amazon with a 4-star rating, so they're pretty well received by quite a few people, and I can see why. I would say that, yeah, they're definitely worth 80 bucks for sure. And this is their Key series, which I'm guessing this is gonna be like their higher end series that they're trying to go with, and I think they nailed it. I think they did a really good job. There you go. Aukey Key series. Check them out. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here. Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2 3. Mic check 1 2 3 4. What? What's up, guys? Gashed him. A little warm in here, isn't it? Right. Right. What song? Nobody's answering. Everybody has lives. Okay, I want a Red Bull. The music slaps. It's more of a... This is not alcohol, it's Monster. Not my first energy drink of choice, but that's what I have available, so whatever. It's impenetrable. That's the world's strongest piece of paper. Oh, you know what? Here. Let's get Felipe, Enrique, I don't remember all the names that you guys suggested. Let's see if he can wear them. He looks good. Oh, I totally forgot. Javier, Enrique, he had a little mishap right there. There's no fixing that, because we all know you're not real. So there we go. He's got a Band-Aid. Bam. Poor guy. But you know what? We all have imperfections. And remember, it's our imperfections that make us perfect.